Happy Friday, everybody. Scissors. We're talking first aid kits, but where is a real good place to have a first aid kit? The answer is inside your car. In France, did you know that you have to legally have a first aid kit, but not in the UK? Anyway, I'm not going to change the world today, but one little bit of kit which is handy to have are these, a pair of Tuff Cut Scissors inside your vehicle. They're called Tuff Cut, sorry, bit of a mouthful, because they are tough and they will cut through fabric, through clothing, through leathers, pretty much everything. Handy piece of kit to have. But why in a car? You just never know. Hopefully, you won't come across it, but you might come across a car accident, or you may even have one yourself. And these things are handy for cutting seat belts. You try getting a seatbelt off. If the airbags have gone off, the car is upside down, don't worry about the cost of the seatbelt. Grab these scissors and cut through the seatbelts to get the person out of the danger. So I'm going to show you a little demonstration. Now I have got this. This is my, it's the fabric. It's just like the seatbelt fabric. And these are tiny little amazing bit of kit. Watch. Easy, yeah? So that could really speed up having to get somebody out of danger. So I would advise you this weekend, if you've got nothing else to do, go and buy a pair of these. You can get them at Boots, the chemist, pharmacy. I don't know, just have a look around, or you could always contact me. Other handy things to have inside the car? Sweeties, chocolate, biscuits. You just never know when you need a little boost of energy. And yeah, so I'm Sarah, owner and trainer of First Aid at Work Aberdeen, Aberdeenshire, and in partnership with Mini First Aid. So have a great weekend and happy cutting.